Hi everyone, so today we finally got our Azur trial decks in. As you can see in front of me, I have one of each display. I just came from my local friendly game store. So yeah, I'm now actually, you can notice I'm in my car and I'm probably be doing an opening here because I'm just so excited. But let me get back to do a little setup and we can look at what can we get from these decks. So yeah, see you guys really soon. Okay, like I mentioned, I'm currently in my car, so I'm kind of working on a very limited space here. So excuse me if you can't see as much as our usual opening. Like I said, very excited for this set. I'm at my FLGS and yeah, I can't wait to open them, so I'm just going to do them in my car. The reason being my FLGS is a bit packed today, being release day and all, so there's really no space for me to do any opening there. So yeah, I have the display beside me now. I'm doing the Iron Blood display, so have it beside me. So we have 6 decks to go through, and as you can see over here, this is our Iron Blood trial deck. I'm sorry, this is the best I can do zooming out due to the limited space, but yeah, here you go. As you can see, for Iron Blood trial deck, there are 4 different kind of SP we can get and 16 different kinds of triple rare. So this is a bit reminiscent to the Hololive set that we had a while back. So yeah, I mean, I'm kind of getting a bit of the Hololive flashback. That's not exactly a good thing, and coupled with, you know, our recent luck lately. So yeah, honestly, I am a bit worried for this opening. Okay, so Iron Blood faction trial deck display, deck number 1, here we go. So yeah, working with a limited space, so excuse me. Trying to see how I can best do it. Okay, yeah, trying to give myself more room. Okay, I mean, it is quite zoomed in. Hopefully that's not too bad. Okay, let's see, is this the best I can do? Can I zoom in out some more? Okay, if not, I'm going to do this. I will put the deck down so you can see the whole thing. Yeah, so first we have the SR card, very nice SR card of Z23. Is the glare a bit too much? Maybe I shall off this. Okay, so I have to depend on the natural light, and let's keep going. So like I mentioned, trial deck display, deck number 1. You know, probably isn't a very good idea to do the opening in my car. Oh, Prince Eugene, yeah, an Iron Blood core member for sure. So I'm guessing the triple rare will be somewhere below. Okay, Iron Blood emblem, our climax, very nice. Okay, so this is our triple rare, first deck triple rare. Put that aside to sleeve, very nice. Let's keep going. Yeah, probably it's a very bad idea to open in my car. I'm not exactly able to get much room space to maneuver as I would like, and the cards are like really all over the place. But yeah, maybe let's continue and I decide how should I best handle this. Should I do all the opening, or should I wait till I reach back home? Okay, so the first deck, so it seems like you get 1 SR card and 1 triple rare. So this is our SR and this is our triple rare for the deck. So this is first deck. Let's move on to deck number 2. Okay, now I have moved to outside my car using my car as the tabletop. So I think this is slightly better, although my sound will be slightly muffled due to the rain. But I think this is better. Let's see how it goes. Let's keep opening. Okay. So this is Iron Blood deck number 2. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I think this does look better. Going to go much faster now, but of course, I think you will appreciate the lighting better now. So yeah, like I said, recently our luck hasn't been very good, especially since Sword Art Online. Hopefully we can do better here. Okay, wait a minute. Now I realized another problem. The cards kind of can't stay. Just going to put that aside. Okay, climax. So like I said, 16 kinds of triple rare. Okay, so another triple rare. Very nice. Put that aside, and I believe the rest is nothing. So yeah, I believe it's either you get a triple rare or you will get a sign card, an SP. Okay, so that's deck number 2. Let's keep going. Okay, deck number 3. Okay, so for the interest of time as well as the surface not being exactly even, I shall just do this and let's see. Oh, okay, so the triple rare this time is the climax. As you can see, the foiling, very nice. I was thinking where it was. So it's the last card this time. Okay, moving on to deck number 4. So 3 more decks to go. This is deck number 4. Okay, so SR on top. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, so very lovely triple rare as well. Okay, so this is deck number 4. So only one triple rare and one SR per deck. Let's move on to deck number 5. Okay, this is deck number 5. Okay, another triple rare. Very nice. Let's put that aside. Yeah, I mean, probably not, but I should just check the rest of the cards. Yep, nothing. Okay, moving on to our last deck for our Iron Blood. Okay, last Iron Blood deck. Let's go. So, you know, even though I brought 4 trial deck display, because they are all from different case, there is a chance where we might end up with just 24 triple rares today. But technically in a master case there are 8 trial decks display, and out of those 8 trial decks display of 48 decks, there should be 2 sign cards, so the odds of pulling a sign card should be 1:24. And since we have 24 decks today, I'm hoping we can at least get a sign card. Nope. So we have Z2 over here. Unfortunately, it is still another triple rare. So Iron Blood, unfortunately,